string a paragraph of assessment together, and they're dealing with human beings. Code of ethics. Who gives a crap? So say the lawyers, so say the judges, so say the doctors, so says, the mental health specialists, who are bound by honor, so says National Board for Certified Counselors, and their attorneys. Have you ever seen such filth? So let's come back to the Canadian geese. What do? Wherever they fly, wherever they land, they leave nothing but black, stinking, fecal matter behind. They never signed up